This four-door, four-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.